Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss auto-boxing and auto-unboxing in Wrapper classes. So first of all, let us start with auto-boxing and auto-unboxing. So this concept is related to Wrapper classes. So in Wrapper classes, we use this concept, auto-boxing and auto-unboxing. So this concept is introduced in Java 5. So from Java 5, we have auto-boxing and auto-unboxing concepts were introduced in Wrapper classes. Right. So we already know that what is Wrapper class. Okay. So Wrapper classes are those classes which are capable of storing one single value of its corresponding data type. So one single value of its corresponding data type. So it means that for every primitive data type, there is a wrapper class. For every primitive data type, there is a corresponding wrapper class. Okay, right. So let us try to work with auto-boxing and auto-unboxing concepts. So first one, coming to auto-boxing. So what is auto-boxing? So auto-boxing means storing a value. Okay, storing a value in wrapper class object directly without new operator. So without new operator, we can store the value in wrapper class object directly. So the example goes like this: integer I is equals to 10. Directly store, no need to create the object. So no need to create the object of wrapper class. So this is called as automatic boxing. Okay, next, second one, auto unboxing. So auto unboxing means accessing value from wrapper class object directly without XXX value method. So without using XXX value method, we can access the value from wrapper class object directly. Example, int sum is equals to II. So II plus 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. So 10 plus 10. So the answer will be 20. So here int value. Okay. Right. So XXX value here, which means II dot int value method is not required. So this is what is, we call it as auto unboxing. So in auto boxing, we can directly store the value in wrapper class object, and in auto unboxing, we can access the value from wrapper class object directly without using its XXX value method. So where XXX stands for its corresponding data type, right? So let us try to demonstrate this with a small example or in a program, wrapper classes example 2. So program to use wrapper classes for storing data and accessing data using auto boxing, auto unboxing. So storing and accessing data using auto boxing and auto unboxing. Right. So take a new page. So class wrapper classes example 2. Right. So Program starts with main method, public static void main string of args. So let us save this program in our working directory. So save the program as wrapper classes example2.java. Right. So save it. So let us take one integer, one boolean, one character, one float value. So first we'll start with integer I, directly storing it as 10. So this is called as auto-boxing. So system.out.println directly print I. We don't require int value method. So this is called as auto-unboxing. Right. Okay. So let us save this program. Right. Compile the program javac wrapper classes example2.java and run it. Java wrapper classes example2. So we got it as 10 value from II object. Okay. Right. So similarly, we can use float ff is equals to 5.6f, directly storing the value auto boxing and directly accessing the value for printing purpose ff auto unboxing. Right. So recompile and run. So 5.6 float value. Next, we'll take one boolean value. Boolean bb is equals to false. Print bb. Okay, we'll take it as true. Okay. Print bb. Right. So recompile and rerun. So the answer is true. Right. So similarly, we can use character class cc is equals to character z. So system.out.println print cc. Okay. Right. So it should print cc value for us. Recompile and run it. So z is printed for us. So this is how auto boxing and auto unboxing helps us to store a value of its corresponding data type directly in wrapper class object and access the value from wrapper class object directly without using any method. So that is what we call it as auto boxing. Automatic storing without creating the object. Auto unboxing, automatic accessing without using any XXX value method. Right. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.